Sometimes the best trips are the ones that don't feel so big. No overnight train or itinerary planned out, just a last-minute idea. We wake up early, hop on a train, and see where the day takes us. That's how we ended up in Kamakura. I wanted to keep things simple this time, so my friend Kyler, he let me borrow his Fujifilm X100VI. And somehow, it felt like stepping back in time. I have a lot of history with the Fujifilm X100 series. The X100F was the camera that I basically started my channel with. And the X100V, that was the camera I grew the channel the most with. So to say it feels a little weird holding this camera and using the 6 for the first time as I'm on a train to somewhere I've been to about a year ago. It feels, ironically, perfect.
X100VI? Is that a question? Alright boys, you ready?
Oh, I'm ready, baby. Let's go.
We're so back.
We're
so back.
First stop was the beach. It's probably the most iconic part of Kamakura, and where most people go first upon arriving. It kind of felt like checking the gate at an airport before you grab food. We just had to make sure the ocean was still there before wandering off into the rest of the city. I think I had forgotten how nice it is to use a fixed lens camera. You start moving your feet a lot more and working around the limitation rather than reaching into your bag to get a better focal length. I think I might have gotten used to interchanging lenses all of the time with my usual camera setup, so this was a breath of fresh air, and even more so to do it in a calming place like Kamakura.
Got big bucks here. 100.
He's got that Monopoly money.
700. Yeah, this one's not on me, boys. I can only pick
I
myself.
have a few. Hold on. Thank you, sir. Bro, I need this so bad.
We're getting a fortune from Matse.
Oh, finally, dude.
This guy has had so much bad karma.
Hey, what are you hoping for from your fortune?
I just want a good rest of the day.
Good rest of the day.
That's all I want. The person taking this omikuji may pray to Tendo. The patient will recover. That's a big thing. The person you are waiting for will come if your attitude is good. Lost articles.
That's so me-coded.
But if your attitude is good, it will be found.
Treating and being careless bring bad luck and you will lose.
You're bringing bad luck.
Come on, bro.
Good. I don't know if you go up, bro.
Come on.
Bring bad luck and you will lose is crazy.
Using the X100VI, even for just a day, it reminded me why so many people love the X100 series. You know, I typically don't get too sentimental about cameras, but I'm still holding onto my X100F and my X100V. Those were tools I used during a pretty important shift in my life. And of course, memories are preserved in the photos I took with it. But the camera itself, I think that holds memories as well. You know, we can pretend that cameras are just tools. But sometimes they can be so much more than just a tool. Big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. I've been using Squarespace to run my own professional website for my photography for over 6 years. And it's the platform I run pretty much everything from my portfolio to my blog, newsletter, and digital store. And I've stuck with them so long because of how seamless it is to use. I just recently gave my website a refreshed look, and it was super easy to do all of that with Squarespace's design tools. So maybe this is your time to get started yourself with Squarespace. You can visit squarespace.com/Faisal and use the code Faisal to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.